Welcome to our channel. Today, we will be comparing two popular USB microphones to help you choose the best one for your needs. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Both the TECURS and Aokeo USB microphones have professional sound quality with 192 kHz, 24-bit high sampling rate, and wide frequency response. The TECURS microphone also has a cardioid pickup pattern, which means it captures sound from the front and reduces background noise. On the other hand, the Aokeo microphone has both cardioid and omnidirectional pickup patterns, which can be adjusted according to your needs. Both microphones have a one-touch mute button, making it easy to quickly mute your microphone. The TECURS microphone has a red LED which lights up when the microphone is in use. As for the Aokeo microphone, it will be muted when the mic knob is pointing to the center point. The TECURS microphone has a gain knob and a 3.5mm headphone jack, which allows you to adjust volume and monitor your voice efficiently. Similarly, the Aokeo microphone has a USB, a cable for computers, PS4 and PS5, but it also has a USB-C cable for mobile phones or Mac devices. It also has a monitor headphone port on the backside to allow you to monitor your recordings. Both microphones come with a double-layer acoustic filter and a windproof foam cover, which prevent bursting and provide clear vocal performance. However, the TECURS microphone is equipped with a professional double-layer acoustic filter, which can improve recording quality by reducing background noise and pops. Both microphones have a USB 2.0 port, which easily connects to Mac and Windows computers. However, the Aokeo microphone is compatible with mobile phones and Mac devices. Please note that both microphones are not compatible with Xbox. The TECURS microphone comes with a tripod stand that enables you to adjust every angle and height easily, while the Aokeo microphone comes with an isolation shield that reduces sound reflection when recording. Thanks for watching. We hope this comparison has been helpful in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.